good day. Today we're surrounded with gadgets and technologies, so there's a tendency that users can easily access websites or apps from multiple devices. Along the way, computers encounter troubles and errors. We will discuss the test procedures such as inspection, platform testing, and prototyping. Testing procedures may help resolve the problem, but it should be done properly and aligned with the usage or purpose in identifying or fixing the problems and issues.
What are test procedures? A test procedures is a set of steps to guide you through what needs to be done to test a facility thoroughly. It is designed to help you work more effectively and make sure you test everything that needs to be tested.
Series of steps to follow the test procedures. 1. Collecting the test information. The first step is to run the test records by the procedures and find out what's going on. You should record all the test results of your test in a log so that you know which one passes and which one failed, requiring further action. 2. Validating of the test information. The next step is to check the data you collected from the test to make sure it is correct. 3. Responding to information on the test. This step is important because you need to be able to recognize when there are problems or when the test is successful. 4. Check the specification. The final step is an important end to the testing process. You need to check the installation specification to make sure it has been.
Inspection of electronic components through DNA marking. Electronic components can be tested through DNA marking, which refers to unique marks that have been placed by the manufacturer but cannot be copied anywhere else. The DNA labeling is currently required by the Department of Defense on its high-risk microcircuits. External visual inspection. The external visual inspection shall consist of a quick inspection of the interior of the computer, the monitor, the keyboard, any peripherals and cables. Make any necessary corrections while performing the visual inspection. Internal visual inspection. Sometimes, sample visual inspection of the computer's internal hardware can lead to a root of the problem, such as loose expansion card, cable connector, or screw mount.
Platform testing. It is a set of specifications that define test methods for different components of computer system and electronic system to be solved as complete product. The aim of the test platform is to ensure consistency across development and delivery in testing processes for hardware and software from the conceptual and design stage. Cross-browser testing. It ensures equal user visual experiments and provides identical functional behavior of application. To have an outstanding user interface, cross-browser research is more specifically aimed at the qualitative functioning of web application or sites. Cross-platform testing. It ensures flawless product processing under different OS types, version, and locales and confirms seamless application functioning. Cross-platform testing ensures that all the types of device and mobile devices or operating systems such as Windows, iOS, Android, Macintosh, Chrome OS, etc. must function equally well on an application. Prototyping. Prototyping is an experimental process where design teams implement ideas to tangible forms from paper to digital. Prototyping your product is all about learning. Each time you will create a prototype version, you will or you should learn something new.